In this video, I will show you how to configure BlueStacks settings on a Windows PC so that it runs smoothly even on low-end systems. For this, go to search and type BlueStacks and select it from the list. Next, click on Settings icon at left side panel. Then under Performance you will find CPU allocation. Just set it to 2 cores or 1 if your CPU is dual core. Under RAM allocation, set it to 1 GB if you only have 4 GB RAM. If you have higher than that, you can set it to 2 GB. Under Performance mode, select to low memory. Then set frame rate to 30 FPS. Do not increase more than that. Next, disable high frame rate and V-Sync feature as shown here. Then click on Save Changes. This will restart BlueStacks as shown here. Now go to Settings and navigate to Display tab on the left side. Then set display resolution to 1280 by 720. Set the DPI value to 160 DPI. Then click on Save Changes to save the changes. This will restart your BlueStack. Next, navigate to Graphics tab. Under Graphics Renderer, select DirectX as it is compatible to older or lower end system. If this does not work, you can later change to OpenGL. For now, I will set to OpenGL. Try playing both these settings. Under Interface Renderer, try software rendering if you are experiencing graphical glitches in BlueStacks interface. Under ASTC Texture, set it to software rendering or just disable it. Under GPU in use, if you have this, then just enable it. After that, click on Save Changes and this will restart your BlueStacks. With this settings, your BlueStacks should work smoothly even on low-end PC. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.